I am so tired of sitting on my hands and knees, pulling all of these weeds for hours on end, and I was looking for a tool that really can help me get more area in less amount of time. And so I decided to try these two handheld weed removers. And so the orange remover is the 6-car weed remover, and this green one is the Bruin handheld weed remover. And so you can see they both have these really nice handles that have a soft grip on each of them. I will say, in comparison, this 6-car handheld weed remover has this nice grip on all around the handle. So if you're looking for handheld comfortability, you might want to look closer at the 6-car weed remover. But they both have really nice handles, both bright colors so they can't get lost. And they also both have this 4-prong weed puller. And so you can see they kind of just remove in the same way and remove around the same amount of weeds per pull. So both of those are the same in that way. The reason I actually really like this Bruin handheld is because of the different prong on the top. And so for weeds that are a little bit deeper rooted, a little bit different looking, you can actually get a better pull and remove it much easier. So for that reason, I really like the Bruin. If you're looking for, a deeper rooted weed that needs to be removed, but also that combo ability to pull just regular weeds, you might be looking at the Bruin. If you're looking for a little bit more comfortability and something that might be easier to hold for a longer period of time, you might be looking at the 6-car.